Hello, welcome back to my channel DIY with Auria. I have this board from Dollar Tree and I'm gonna cut it approximately 15 inches. And I will be creating a tray. I'm gonna go ahead and sand it, make sure that it's nice and even, and this piece we could use for a future project. In the meantime, let's paint this board with this white chalk paint. Once that is completely painted and dry, I'm coming in with some Jenga blocks. I'm gonna use some wood glue. I'll be gluing one set of 8 and one set of 3 Jenga blocks. So here I am making sure that these Jenga blocks are all glued together nice and even. Once that is done, I'm coming in with more chalk paint and painting the top of the Jenga blocks. I'm gonna do that to all 4 of them, and then with some hot glue I went on and I just hot glued them to the board, and with this nautical rope I will be hot gluing it on the outside border. And now let's go ahead and work on the legs. I have these pieces. It belong to a chess game. And with a little bit of hot glue, I'm going to glue them on all 4 corners. And this is the way it turned out. Let me know in the comment section what you think about it. I also purchased these beautiful purple jars from Dollar Tree. I'm gonna go ahead and start decorating them with this twisted craft paper. I purchased this at a secondhand store for, I believe it was $2. And now I'm gonna go ahead and put it right up here. I'm gonna do the same thing to all 3 of them. And now for the fun part. I love these coastal DIYs, so I'm excited. I have several of these shelves and I'm going to start decorating all 3 of these jars. Just keep watching. I am loving this DIY. Let me know in the comment section what you think. I forgot to tell you also, I have some of these pearls and I'm also going to be incorporating them together with the shells. Let me know what you think. And here goes the second jar. I'm gonna do something similar, but of course I'm gonna use different shells and I am going to make it look a little different, but decorating them with the shells and the pearls. And with these jars you could put some Q-tips, some cotton balls, and whatever else you can think about. I think this is absolutely gorgeous and it's going to look absolutely beautiful in my bathroom. On this 3rd jar, I was hesitant if I wanted to put it on top. I thought about putting it in the middle, then in the bottom. Eventually, I just did the same thing as I did to all 3 of them. Let me know which of these 3 is your favorite. I know they all look similar, but they're different size and I am loving them all. Let me know what you think. Can you tell I'm so excited about this DIY? I think this is one of my favorite DIYs in this video. Don't forget to leave me in the comment section what you think about this beautiful DIY, and I hope you like it just like I do. went and I did these with 1 cup of water, 1 cup of salt, 2 cups of flour, baked for 2.5 hours. Then I took some white spray paint from Rust-Oleum and I spray painted all of them. And here is how they turned out. This is good for a filler when you're filming and you want to put something else and you cannot figure out what to put, especially for those coastal DIYs, then you can just use them as fillers. I want to thank you for clicking into my channel, and I do hope that you like this DIY, and if you do, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. I am sure that most of you have seen this at the dollar store. I'm gonna go ahead and decorate it. I have these stickers, some nautical rope, and I'm just gonna make it look pretty. Just keep watching and see how it turns out. These rub-ons are so, oh my God, I love them. When I see them, I always buy them because they come in so handy. You saw how nice and simple with those rub-ons. I mean, if you have a Cricut, you could also use a Cricut or use any stencils that they sell at Dollar Tree. And as you see, I'm putting on the nautical rope right around here. And this is the way it turns out. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna fill it in with this piece of plastic. And then I'm gonna add some Spanish moss. So back in the summer, I went to a garage sale and you see these purple flowers. Oh my God, I bought so many of them. They have 4 bunches for 50 cents. So I took advantage and I am putting them to use. This is how it looks and I am loving it, and I hope you love it too. Let me know in the comment section which is your favorite so far in this little plate from Dollar Tree. So I took these wood dice from Dollar Tree, and what I did is I took out my drill and I am going to make a hole right in the middle. And yes, I am making a coastal garland. I'm just gonna let you sit back and relax and watch this simple DIY. And to those that have not met my little girl, her name is Diva, and she's always wagging her tail when I'm doing my DIYs. And you could go ahead and leave in the comment section a hello for my little girl. So now that these wooden dice are all put in place, what I'm doing is I'm putting a little bit of hot glue, and I left a space of 1 inch between each other. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to work on my tassel. I wrapped it around this piece of wood many times. Then I cut 1 corner. I'm going to go ahead and tie it, secure it nice and secure. Then I give it a haircut, comb it, and then we can go ahead and work on the other end of the tassel. I purchased these little plaques. They're like keychains. They're made out of wood. I bought them at Michael's, and these rub-ons, I got them also at Dollar Tree. So I'm going to put some of them on this little plaque, and you'll see later on I also added a shell on the other side of this plaque. this is the way it looks. But I wanted to elevate it a little more. So I went, and after I tied this plaque into the garland, I decided that I wanted to add this shell. Let me know what you think in the comment section, and if you do like it, I hope you give me a big thumbs up. I have this bench for many years. I think I bought it at a garage sale. I'm gonna take out this nautical ribbon and this fall sign. I'm just gonna go ahead and sand it out of here. I'm gonna paint it with white chalk paint. Then I am going to put it to the side so I could go ahead and work on some other DIYs so I can start decorating this beautiful bench. And this is the way that it turned out. Don't go away, I will show you the final reveal. And this here my girlfriend gave me, and I am going to go ahead and spray paint it with this purple from Krylon. And this is how it looks. This was a garland, and in this little hole on top it had lights. So the lights stopped working, and she decided to give me 5 of them, and I am putting both of these to use. I am putting some white flowers on top, and that's what I'm going to be decorating the bench with. Look at how nice and simple. I got these little bunches of flowers from Dollar Tree, and look at how cute.